Hey you guys! Did you ever find yourself without ideas of what to print next? In this video we have a great selection of designers that have cool and free models for you to download and print. You want to know more? Then stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. But before we start, don't forget to hit like in this video and subscribe our channel. Also, if you want to help us make more cool videos, go ahead and join our Patreon page. So, today we will show you some designers that have a great collection of models that you can download and print for free. Don't forget to check the video description for all the links. And the first one can be found here on my Mini Factory. This designer has a collection of more than 150 models, and very beautiful ones. Some are not free, but most of them are free to download. The collection includes some more complex models, but also some easy to print. We tested a few of them from this designer on our videos. Next, we have this designer. We are always looking for new models from this designer, and we already printed a lot of them. The figures are all very cute and super easy to print, since they don't require any supports to print. His collection is available on Cults and also on Thingiverse. Then we have this one. This designer does not have that many models yet, but they are all very cool since they are printed in one piece, and the result are these flexible prints. The models are not free, but this designer, when publishes a new design, normally releases the model for free for the first few hours. Anyway, even not being free, they are pretty affordable. Also with print-in-place models is this designer right here. He also has a few models, but very interesting ones. In this case, they are all free to download. And if you like these print-in-place flexible models, here you can find a few more on this designer's collection. If you like 3D printed RC models, this is one of the designers you have to check. The collection includes some complete designs and also some add-ons for other models. Also with 3D printed RC models is this designer. His collection includes some paid models but also a few free ones. Some of the free ones you can find this RC buggy, this 3D printed RC truck, and also some RC helicopters. Next, we have this designer. We know this collection for some time now. And what it stands out from these designs are not only the designs, but also the detail on them. This collection also includes very cool wearable helmets. Next, we have this designer on My Mini Factory. This collection has more than 100 models, and although some are not free, the ones that are free are also very cute. We also printed some models from this designer before, and they turned out great. If you are looking for some gadget designs, this collection is for you. In this collection you can find more than 300 designs, and most of them can be used together with components from Adafruit. Last but not least, if you are looking for some random or somewhat useful stuff, you can check this one. This collection has more than 250 models that you can choose from. These are just a few designers that you can find on Cults, Thingiverse, and My Mini Factory. There are many more free and cool models that you can find on these websites, so take a look. We also have some free designs on our own Thingiverse account, and we will try to upload more. On Cults, we have this mini arcade machine, and we are planning to upload the bigger version soon. Before printing, don't forget to check what are the settings that the designers recommend for each model. And that's it, you guys. Hope you like these ideas and keep your 3D printer printing. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!